Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL 8.0. Open your web browser. Search MySQL download. Select the first option, MySQL downloads. Scroll down. Here you will see MySQL community GPL downloads. If you have any problem finding this page, you can go to your search bar. In the search bar, just type mysql.com/downloads/ and click on enter. So you will go to the same downloads page. Go down. Here choose the option MySQL Community GPL Downloads. And at the end you will see MySQL installer for Windows. Right click on it. And here the version is 8.0.46 and operating system is Microsoft Windows. You have to choose the second option, Windows MSI installer 32-bit. So it will also work for 64-bit system. Just click on download. The size of the file is 565.9 MB. Click on download. And here choose the last option, no thanks, just start my download. So the file is getting downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, click on download option. You will see full download history. Click on it. Right click on the file. Just a single click. And then a dialog box will pop up to ask you yes or no to install MySQL. Just choose yes. And then it will ask for yes or no for installation again. Choose yes. So here you have to choose the setup type. Choose custom and click on next. And we need to select the products that we want to install. We need MySQL Server. So open MySQL Server and then extend it. Choose MySQL Server 8.0.46. Move it to the installation box by choosing the right arrow. And then go to applications. Choose MySQL Workbench and extend it again. We need MySQL Workbench. Move it to the installation box. And then MySQL Shell. We need MySQL Shell. Move it. And then click on next. And then click on execute. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for installation. All of them installation status is complete now. Choose next and then choose next. Here don't change anything. The default port number for MySQL database is 3306 and then choose next and then choose next. You have to choose password for your root account. By default, MySQL will provide root user. So you have to choose password for it. I will just choose root all small letters for easy to remember. You can set your choice password and then after setting the password, select next and then select next and select next. It is configuring the database and then click on finish and then click on next, click on finish. This is MySQL Workbench. close it. And this is MySQL Shell, close it. Both of them are to interact with MySQL database. So MySQL is successfully installed now. We have to do one more thing. We have to copy the path of our MySQL and we have to set it to system environment variables. Go to your file explorer, go to C drive, search for program files, search for MySQL and open it. Go to MySQL Server, open bin, copy the path of this bin folder. Now go to search bar, search for environment variables. You will see an option, edit the system environment variables, open it. Choose environment variables. In the system variables, search for path. Double click on path. Here choose new and paste the path that we have copied. I have pasted the MySQL path. Choose OK and OK and then OK again. Now open your search bar and search for command prompt. Open command prompt and give a command MySQL space -- version and then click on enter. You will see an option MySQL version 8.0.46 for Windows, which means MySQL 8.0.46 is successfully installed in our system and it is ready to use. If you like the video, click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.